This exercise try to solve the problem to convert feet into meters using scalar class and constant. Let me divide into three components: input, process, and output. Input, there is one input, feet. Process, it says that converts feet into meters. I will type the missing T. So it actually means that meters can be calculated based on given feet multiplied by 0.305. And the output, we are looking at the result, which is meters. Okay, let me use block diagram. So we have a memory location refers to feet. That's going to be a default value 0.0. And then meters. Again, let me repeat, feet. And then result refers to meters. So basically we have a two variable. So if the feet is 10.0, calculation will be 3.05. That become meters. So that's output. But if you look at here, one value called 0.305, that is constant. Value for feet and meters might be changed, but that value 0.305 doesn't change. That's what we call it as a constant. Let's create a new project. I will use default main class. Let me copy the description so that I don't have to switch back. Okay. So let me put three components: input, process, output. Okay, for input, we have a double value fit like a 10.0. We'll start with default value 0.0 and then meters 0.0. Process converts feet into meters. So formula is based on meters equal to feet multiplied by 0.305. Output is meters. So I will print it on standard output device. Then here it says the program prompts the users to enter number in feet, means we need to deal with the standard input device using scanner class. System in, we need to import scanner class. So after package, you need to have one statement. Okay, import Java util scanner. So as a part of the process, I will say prompt the user to enter a number in feet. I will direct copy from the descriptions. System out print. Okay. We will save to feet. Input dot next double. They will return a double value from a keyboard input. So let me type the missing S. System out print ln. I like to check the input data. Okay, clean and build, and then we can run it. Okay, enter 10 and then calculate as 3.05. That is correct. So let me change the print. Will appear next to each other. Okay, that's okay. Now let's deal with 0.305 as a constant, because that value doesn't change. Okay, here I say final double, and you know we have to use capitalized character. It has a multiple word, so I will use underscore to make it more readable. That is define constants for 0.305. So let me replace it. So it doesn't change anything. It actually makes a lot more readable. Let me use the same value. Output is same. Let me run it with a different value. Again, 6.1, that's correct. Okay, let me just add T. Let me quickly have a look. Everything seems okay. That is define constants. So we have 3 blocks: input, process, and output. We create a scanner object to obtain keyboard input by the user. Then we process it. Then output display meters. Everything seems okay. That's all. Thank you.